Tuloy po yung yung pagbabalangkas ng mga jobs fair at in
Okay.
fact ang National Capital Region meron po siyang mga series ng jobs fair. Ang iba po ay specific sector, Pwede pong sa kababaihan, meron pong darating yan sa darating na Pebrero.
Okay.
Nang sa ganun po lahat ay mabigyan ng pagkakataon na makapag-access sa serbisyo po ng pamahalaan, in particular sa Department of Labor and Employment po.
Okay. Maraming salamat po, Benny, at marami naman tayo na-discuss dito sa ating programa. Salamat to sa inyong insights at saka mga updates dito sa mga jobs fair.
Maraming salamat din, Dani. Mag-ingat po tayo lagi sa ating pagtatrabaho at mabuhay po. Ang approved na yan.
Okay. Have a safe Sunday, Benny. All right. Ayan si Benny Laguesma ng Department of Labor and Employment o DOLE. Tuloy-tuloy na tayo sa ating trabalita at ngayon naman makakasama natin via Zoom. Ito ay maganda rin. Meron daw seminar, libreng seminar para sa mga gustong maging virtual assistant. Makakasama natin via Zoom si Philip Soriano. Philip, good morning.
Magandang umaga po. Good morning po.
Oo, thank you very much for joining. Kahit linggo, at least may access kami at naka-interview namin kayo. Okay naman ba signal?
Okay naman.
Okay. So alam ko Philip, meron kayong schedule dito sa January 31, tama ba? Ano ba yung event nito? Ano pa to? Job fair din to? Oo.
Actually hindi po siya job fair. It's a intensive workshop.
Okay.
Libreng workshop po ito. So yan ang just to jumpstart your VA career. So yung mga gusto maging virtual assistant, gusto na mag-shift to a career as a virtual assistant, ito po yung workshop na ibibigay po namin for free so they could prepare at pwede nila i-jumpstart yung career nila as a virtual assistant. So dito po, we're going to discuss ano ba yung mga needs at requirements para maging virtual assistant.
Okay. So anong klaseng let's say related ba sa medical mission? Anong klaseng mga let's say activities that they will be helping out para lang dun sa mga interesado mag-join in, Philip? Oo.
Yes. Actually itong virtual assistant, just to give you a general idea, ito po yung work from home or ang ibang tawag po ay remote work. So meaning as long as meron po kayong internet connection at meron kayong laptop or computer, you can work online.
Yes.
So iba-iba po ang ino-offer dito po. As working online, usually it could be IT related, it could be accounting, it could be media related, as long as you could do the work online and on a computer at isasabit nila yung work nila. That is what you call remote work. And then karamihan ng in-offer po namin as para maging employer nila are usually foreign companies or foreign employers. So ang kitaan po dito ay whether in USD or in British pounds or euro or any other current foreign currency.
At saka di ba? For those na let's say may regular work na, pwede rin nila ito maging sideline di ba? As long as kaya ng physically, ibig sabihin maganda ang connectivity nila, pwede ito. As long as they can provide. Tsaka yung mabit nila yung deadlines na hinihingi ng mga let's say host countries. Tama ba, Philip?
Correct. Correct, sir. Yes.
Okay. So, yung sa January 31, nakalagay sa akin 9 a.m. to 12 noon. So, they have to go there physically dito sa, sa North Avenue, Quezon City?
That is correct. Nasa SM North Towers po yan, January 31. They have to be there physically because last year, nung gumagawa kami ng workshop online, we sort of realized na hindi siya ganun ka-impacting para sa mga gusto mag-shift to virtual assistant. Kasi yung iba, nahihiya sila pag online. Hindi nila ma-feel yung excitement at hindi nila minsan nahihiya sila magtanong. At so, ang dami nagpo-back up. So this time, we took the initiative na gawin namin in person para makilala namin sila face-to-face at we could get to know them more. Ang perks kasi, pag in person, we could review their resume. They could bring the resume, we could review, we could help them, assist them in improving their resume. And meron din kami mga exercises on how to pass an interview. We have exercises on how to prepare their equipment at yung mga ibang requirements.
Katulad nito, Philip, may mga kilala ko na let's say they're here, no, pero they are actually working sa US pero on vacation. Gusto nila mag-sideline or pagbalik nila sa US, pwede rin nilang gawin yan eh, di ba? Yung trabaho na ganyan, as long as alam nila kung ano yung mga deadlines to meet, yung mga ganon, basta yung oras, kailangan ganon din, ita-time nila doon sa kung saan yung host country. Yun, pwede yung mga ganon, di ba? Na parang gusto lang nila ng parang may extra income na tingin nila related naman doon sa ginagawa din nila. Di ba, Philip? Oo.
Yes, sir. That is correct.
Oo. So, yun, maganda yun. Kasi meron mga kilala ako na gano'n, naghahanap nga ng mga online job na siguro, yan na nga, maganda, virtual assistant. Mga related sa mga medical issues, mga medical sector, kunwari, mga nagbibigay ng mga advice on kunwari, depression, mga gano'n, pwede yun, mga gano'n, di ba? Yung mga, mga tungkol sa mental issues, pwede.
Yes, sir. Actually, very vast yung industries na nag-require ng virtual assistant. From the medical field to accounting, to multimedia. Malawak po siya.
Tapos ito bang si Coach Andrea Pios of Baba Boom, siya ba yung magko-conduct ng parang let's say orientation on Friday? December?
Yes po, we invited her to be the coach on that day. Actually, nag-invite po kami, every month mag-invite po kami ng different coach from different companies na established na po dito sa Pinas. And then this, on January 31, siya po ang mag-initialize sa training natin.
Maganda yun. Oo, marami ako mga kaibigan na parang interesado sa mga ganyan kind of job. So, ano ho bang ini-expect natin? Mga ilang, let's say, virtual assistants ang kailangan i-fill up on that Friday?
Actually, medyo limited nga po.
Ganun ba?
We're expecting to start off lang. We just wanted to see kasi ito po yung pilot workshop po namin in person. So we are expecting 30 sign-ups. Kaya not to worry kung lumagpas na po yung registration. Meron naman po kami on the next month, on the month of February.
At least priority ka na.
Yes. Tentative po ang date pero we'll make sure na yung mga nag-sign up na siguro nag-sign up ng late, we will accommodate them on the next workshop.
I see. So, what do they need to bring on Friday? When they go there, kailangan ba, yung mga, let's say, syempre, yung mga, academic qualification, mga gano'n, requirements?
Hindi na po kailangan kasi when it comes to virtual assistants, there is no academic requirements. As long as you have the skills
dapat may alam ka. Dapat may alam ka dun sa job na papasukan mo na, let's say, related doon sa pangangailangan ng mga employer.
Yes po. Very very general lang po. Kasi when you say virtual assistant, para siyang secretarial work to begin with. And then pag medyo na-advanced na sila, we'll provide the trainings for that as well.
Bali, ito bang first time, itong January 31, o may ginawa na kayo na similar to this last year din, na somehow naging maganda ang ang reception?
Actually, ini-start po namin to last year. Online lang po. As in virtual
wala yung physical na pupuntahan katulad ngayon, January 31. Wala.
Hindi po. With the results, maganda. It was good naman. But we sort of realized we want to do it differently kasi. Because ang daming sanay na po sa webinars, anything on Zoom. But ang problema po lang namin, nakikita po namin is yung engagement po sa bawat sign-up. Number one, hindi nahihiya po sila magtanong. So, ang ending po, pag nag-apply po sila ng trabaho, hindi sila pasado. So, this time around, we want to make it more, sabihin natin, more intensive, more
engaging. More engaging.
Engaging as well, yes. Kasi, pag na-interview na po kayo, at least we could guide you properly on how to dress up, how to speak, what are the modes of communication na dapat, as long as dapat prepared po kayo, tools and everything. Through webinars, it works, but it doesn't work for everyone. 50% of the time. So this time around, hopefully ang turnover natin dito is at least 90% of our attendees will have a job as a virtual assistant.
Very good to hear. Pero kunwari, let's say nakapasa na sila doon sa January 31, okay sila. So anong next step niyan? Ipapatch up din ninyo sila doon mismo sa employer para at least kung ano na yung requirement nila and then titignan ninyo. Kasi syempre based on the interview pa lang at saka yung gagawin nito si Coach Andrea, malalaman na niya, ito may potential, di ba? Parang ganoon, di ba?
Yes po.
Oo.
Yes po, that is correct.
Oo.
Actually, we have partnered up hindi lang with one employer but multiple companies.
Oo.
So in case na mahanap kami ng skillful na tao for this type of industry, ipapasok po namin po sila doon.
Do you have an idea, mga let's say, for now, kunwari naging virtual assistant ka, mga how many hours ang ginugugol mo online with the employer? Kunwari, ano ba yan, daily na kailangan sila or kahit na 3 times a week lang? Basta lang kung ano yung hinihingi na-perform mo? Ganon? Oo.
Actually, iba-iba po yung
requirements,
na ino-offer. Yes. Meron po tayong project-based, which is usually pag sinasabi freelance virtual assistant. So this is result-based. Meron naman po part-time, which is 4 hours per day. Yes, for 5 days. The usual part-time. At meron din full-time, sir. So that is equivalent to 40 hours in a week. So it's Monday to Fridays, basically 8 hours. Pero, just for everyone to be aware of, most employers are on a different time zone. So for example, my employer sa US,
America,
panggabi yun.
Europe,
Yes. Pero meron po yung mga employers, for example, from Australia, same time zone tayo. Kung 8 a.m. po dito sa Pinas, 8 a.m. din po doon.
Yes. Okay. So, which countries ang tingin nyo na, let's say, parang may demand na ganyan, ng mga virtual assistant? US ba at Europe or meron din dito sa ASEAN nations?
Actually, mostly sa US and Europe. Right now, nagbi-build up na po ang online dito sa Pinas. Surprisingly,
online sa Pinas pwede rin. Ganon,
Yes.
Virtual
and
assistant.
I know ang dami kong kilalang kaibigan na may-ari ng agencies din dito na they're requiring for a virtual assistant dito sa Pinas.
Nako. Mamaya kakausapin ko kayo kahit na offline. Meron ako mga kilala. Para at least may tanong ko rin. At syempre, gusto ko rin malaman. So ito, flexible, no? Ibig sabihin, pwede lang kung gusto niyang part-time, basta yung deadlines are able to meet. Di ba, Philip? Oo.
Yes, depending on the employer and depending on the company na i-apply. So iba-iba po ang requirements. But basically, yes.
Oo. So yung 9 to 12 sa January 31, including na yun doon yung pagbibigay ng mga pointers ni Andrea, ni Coach Andrea kasama.
Yes, it's a 3-hour free workshop for preparation to jumpstart your VA career. I-educate po namin sila on what tools they require, what skills they require, and i-review namin yung CV nila, yung resume nila kung papasa siya. And then assist po namin sila kung anong kailangan nila in terms of communications, how to communicate. Dito po, hindi naman kailangan fluent in English. Ang kailangan po, clear communications, may clarity po. So, kahit sabihin natin barok mag-English, as long as clear yung communications, okay po, pasado.
Basta nagkakaintindihan kayo ng employer somehow. At saka nakikita naman yung output mo di ba? Kung okay naman, ayan, pwede na yan, di ba? Magano, So, malaking bagay. So, okay, so wala na silang kailangan dalhin, basta importante lang mag-click sila, di ba? At saka makikita naman nila kung ano yung let's say workshop na ibibigay ni Coach Andre, di ba? Sa Friday. Oo. Meron ka bang idea, let's say, syempre marami magiging interesado diyan. Kunwari, gusto mo mag full-time diyan, meron ka bang idea kung magkano entry? Let's say fee na pwede matanggap or pati kung flexible 4 hours work lang, mga more or less, mga ganun.
So, ang starting usually, ang starting. So, this all depends on each employer, each company who's hiring. Pero usually, ang starting na pwede na po is they start at $4 per hour.
Okay.
For 8 hours, 40 hours per week. Yung iba po, pag medyo may skills na po, so for example, meron na po silang accounting skills, they can start at $10 per hour. So, it really depends on sa tao. Pero ang entry level, sir, 4 pataas po. $4 pataas.
Per hour. Laging ganyan.
Yes.
Depende
Iba po din yung sa local, sir. Meron kasi may vacancies locally na online work. They start at minimum Philippine rate, syempre.
Okay. Per hour din. Ganun din ang or depende per day.
Dito sa amin parang
per day.
Kung ano yung sistema natin po dito sa Pinas per day. Yes.
Yun. Okay. Nako, interested. Maraming interested dyan. So, good luck na lang ho sa Friday, January 31, Philip. Thank you very much for, sharing this information. Oo.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for having me.
Salamat. Okay, tawagan kita mamaya basta magkausap tayo. Meron ako mga mga queries. Thank you. Okay.
Sige po. Thank you.
Salamat. Yan ho si Philip Soriano ng APX Philippines. It's in connection with yung gagawin nila. Parang January 31 may event sila para dun sa mga gustong mag-virtual assistant. Okay, magko-commercial break lang ho kami. Huwag ko kayong alis. Babalik ang Teleradyo Serbisyo Aprobyan.
Walang day off ang serbisyo publiko sa Teleradyo Serbisyo.